Hey y'all, Amber here with Purple Girl Designs. I wanted to give you a little tutorial on the Mala beads that I make. Mala beads are Buddhist prayer spiritual beads. They're kind of like a Buddhist rosary. So I make different types of beads, different types of malas. I can make malas with specific gemstones if you'd like, or we have our all-encompassing PGD Chakra mala, which has everything. A mala has 108 beads. There's many descriptions for what 108 beads represent. What I tell people is there's 108 breaths in a meditation moment. There's 108 blood vessels that go to the heart chakra. There are many different ones. You can wear it as a bracelet if you're a yogi or Pilates. This one's a little tighter for me, but I would wrap it underneath and I would wear it while I'm doing my session. Or you can put it on as a necklace and wear it as a necklace. It goes right over and it's fabulous as a necklace. Or the other one you can do is just use it as a mala bead or a prayer bead. This is your guru at the end, and you start at the guru, and this is when you start your prayer or your meditation, your mantra, and you go all the way around as you pray. And when you come as you're rubbing your beads and saying your prayers, and you come all the way to the guru, that means you've finished your meditation or your prayer. You can do it as many times as you want. So check them out on the website. I do custom orders if you'd like as well, but there are many, and the PG chakras are the favorite. So thanks you guys.